Discover the lavish lifestyle at Riviere Residences Applecross, a first look at Perth's newest high-end apartments. Imagine living in absolute luxury right on the banks of the Swan River. That's precisely what the new Riviere Residences in Applecross offers, a modern, exclusive apartment complex that sets a new standard for high-end living in Perth. With its stylish design, stunning waterfront views, and top-notch amenities, Riviere Residences promises to be the pinnacle of comfort and elegance. Why this new development stands out. When you step into Riviere Residences, you're greeted by extraordinary features, crafted to offer ultimate convenience and opulence. Picture this: resident lounges, private terraces, and state-of-the-art security measures, all designed to provide you an unmatched living environment. Whether you're a young professional looking for a chic home or a family looking for space and luxury, Riviere Residences is crafted for everyone. But here's where it gets interesting. The debate is on whether such high-end living developments are truly sustainable in today's market. Critics argue that such upscale projects can drive property prices even higher, making it difficult for average Australians to afford homes in prime locations. Do you think the benefits of such luxurious residences outweigh the potential drawbacks? Join the conversation. Your thoughts are valuable. Do you see these high-end developments as a boon for the local economy or as a challenge for affordability? Share your opinion in the comments below.